Welcome back to the channel, where the unknown becomes the unforgettable. Today, we journey into a realm where time bends and reality blurs, a place where what seems paranormal might just be a ripple in the fabric of time. Imagine this. You're wandering through a quiet forest or exploring an ancient castle. Suddenly, the air thickens. The sounds of a distant era echo around you. You see figures dressed in clothes from centuries past, moving as if they belong there. And then, just like that, they're gone. What if this wasn't a haunting, but a temporal mistake? Let's uncover the mysteries behind the time slip theory. First, what is the time slip theory? The time slip theory challenges our understanding of time, suggesting that it isn't as linear or fixed as we might believe. Instead, moments from the past, or even the future, could briefly intersect with the present, creating an eerie overlap. These anomalies might explain why many ghost sightings depict figures seemingly unaware of our existence, dressed in period clothing, and behaving as if trapped in another time. But what if these aren't ghosts in the traditional sense? Could they be fragments of history bleeding into our reality? Imagine glimpsing a moment in time that was never meant for your eyes, a fleeting window into another world. This concept transforms our understanding of the paranormal, replacing the idea of restless spirits with something even more fascinating, the possibility that we're encountering echoes of the past or travelers from the future. Next, let's explore real-life encounters where time slips and ghostly phenomena seem intertwined. Some of the most compelling stories come from seemingly ordinary people caught in extraordinary moments. Bold Street, Liverpool, 1996. Frank was walking along Bold Street when he felt an odd shift in the atmosphere. The bustling modern-day streets suddenly transformed. The cars, the people, even the shop fronts, everything looked like it belonged to the 1950s. When Frank entered a store named Cripps, he later discovered it hadn't existed for decades. Did he step into another time, or was it something else entirely? Versailles, France, 1901. Anne Moberly and Eleanor Jourdan were visiting the Palace of Versailles when they felt an overwhelming sense of unease. They reported seeing people in 18th century clothing and described details that perfectly matched the era of Marie Antoinette. Could they have walked through a crack in time itself, momentarily entering the palace as it was over a century before? These stories aren't isolated. Across the globe, similar experiences challenge our perception of reality. Are these time slips merely figments of imagination or glimpses of the world as it once was? Now let's dive into the science. Could physics explain the possibility of time slips? While traditional science remains cautious, some theories offer intriguing possibilities. Einstein's theory of relativity. Einstein described time and space as a single fabric, space-time, which can bend and warp under certain conditions. Phenomena like black holes distort this fabric so intensely that time itself behaves strangely. Could natural events on Earth create smaller, localized distortions that cause temporal overlaps? Quantum mechanics. On the smallest scales, particles don't follow the rules we're used to. They appear, disappear, and even seem to move through time. If this chaotic behavior can occur in the quantum world, could it also manifest on a human scale, creating those eerie time slip moments? While these ideas remain speculative, they ignite the imagination. What if science is on the verge of uncovering the mechanisms behind these mysterious phenomena? Finally, how are time slips and ghosts connected? Understanding time as fluid and multidimensional opens up new interpretations of ghostly encounters. Repetitive actions. Many ghost sightings involve figures repeating the same actions over and over. Instead of spirits trapped in limbo, could these be echoes of the past? A recording of time replaying itself? Interactive ghosts. Far rarer are cases where ghosts seem to interact with the living. These events might represent two timelines briefly converging, allowing individuals from different eras to meet across the veil of time. Imagine what this suggests. Moments when history isn't just something to study, but something you can feel, see, and touch. Such stories challenge conventional beliefs, suggesting that the boundaries between the past, present, and future may not be as rigid as we think. So what do you believe? Are time slips an explanation for ghostly encounters, a sign of how little we truly understand about time? Or are they simply tricks of the mind? The idea of temporal mistakes invites us to reimagine everything we know about history, the paranormal, and even reality itself. If this video sparked your curiosity or gave you chills, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another exploration into the unknown. And now, we turn it over to you. Could ghosts be glimpses of the past, or is there another explanation waiting to be uncovered? Share your theories in the comments below.